I'm at it again. I am on another walking adventure. I'm determined to do different places as often as I can, wherever I can. And I'm at it again. I got my stick, but this stick ain't doing a damn thing for these mosquitoes that's trying to eat my ass out here. I done came here to the Chesapeake Arboretum. Goddamn shit. Excuse me. Motherfucking mosquitoes. The trail is nicer than Bell's Mill Park, but goddamn, I'm trying to remember my way up out this jank. Cause these damn mosquitoes literally are eating my damn ass. Okay. Wah! Ah! Oh fuck. It's like a mosquito. Oh hell. Oh hell. Oh hell. What the hell I done got myself into this damn time? Anyway, I'm getting a good damn workout. But when mosquitoes after your ass, your grandma old cane can't do shit for it. Oh, get up and move something, people. God dang. Well, find somewhere or wear some type of bug repellent so your ass don't get eaten.